Alright people, wagwan. Welcome back to another episode of Kevin Tries for the First Time. And what will I be trying for the first time today? You've already seen it from the thumbnail. The thumbnails just ruined everything. The Popeyes chocolate chip biscuit. I was driving and I saw it. I thought to myself, yo, Kevin, boom, you can do that. Kevin Tries for the first time and that thing. And then I also got the another idea like, yo, KFC now have some biscuits sitting too, where you can like do the two of them in a one video and you compare and see which one is better. But today now in the evening when you go to boom and circle KFC, the two KFC them, they don't have none. Not that they stop making, they don't have none. Zine? I mean, know what that means when they say they don't have none. It means that, yeah, you're on the back, but we not going to bake none for just serve you. So you can go on about your business, sir. That mean to me. All if I know that mean, on the violate. But Popeyes had it. So Popeyes in a feed them like a thing. This look like the thing where them put the coleslaw, Small coleslaw and them something there. Now, I was not too thrilled to try this, because Popeyes regular biscuit them, they not too hot. Yeah man, Popeyes you no need for like come again with that biscuit thing there. You not even look like biscuit. But this is from the one where not really they another parish with me there. Miraculously, this does look like a biscuit. Let me show you what I go on with it. See it them man. Hold on, nah, focus. Violation thing? Hold on. Me take you out there. It's sitting. See it there. You definitely can see the chocolate chips, and they have a little drizzle on top. I like how that drizzle I looking at brother. Of icing. And surprisingly, let me say this again, it does look like the biscuit where they have on the poster. Rarely, when these companies put out things, it look like the thing where them have on the poster. So we are going to big them up for that. Already, gonna get some pints for that, you see me? A taste test. It's still warm. So, now we are gonna get a taste test, you see me? Hold on there, man. I'll take a second bite before me start the talking. This tastes, I don't know how to say it. It's right where the taste should be. Because when I hear about biscuit, I say, yo, biscuit, I usually something kind of like savory-ish. And then the little drizzle of sweetness on top. This is savory. The little drizzle of sweetness on top. And the right amount of sweetness. Right amount of icing put on the top. And then we get, of course, the flavors of the chocolate chips. And it's not overpowering. Sometimes you eat something and it's just overpowering. And you're like, yo, I get too much of chocolate chip, man. Go easy with that. When I look again, let me make you see what I go on. See it there? And as for the texture, people, it's properly baked. Yeah, man. Inside nice, soft, and fluffy. And we have a little crust on the outside. Nothing too tough. It's just the right amount of crust stability, if that's the word. I'm gonna go in again. Honestly, me did expect it to be more sweet. Yeah, me personally did think say it gonna be like more sweet and them thing there and just overpowering with sweetness and chocolate and all of that. But it's just it's at the right place. Popeyes, why on a regular biscuit them can like taste so and look so? And it's just warm. Imagine if me did eat it, cause me have to go somewhere else and it's still warm. Imagine if me did eat it like when them just getting it, just bake and them just hand it to me and them sitting. For somebody like me when I too love the sweetness, right amount of sweetness. This feel like it would have perfect with a cup of tea in the morning. And some me love my sweetness, you see me? In the morning with a cup of tea. I guess if at any point may I go somewhere and I feel like I need something to go with a cup of tea, I would have had this. And as for the price, $295. In all honesty, $295. How much for the regular biscuit? But $100? $100? I don't know how much for a regular biscuit. But you know, them could have like full up the whole container. It could have been the size of the container for like $295. Inside that container it did have some space. When I want to see no space for $295. The thing with them things where people are selling nowadays is that even though the price will go up, the size of the food thing now go up. And we're not talking about just Popeyes now, all of them. Like, you know, price will go up on chicken, the chicken now get bigger in the box. We don't need to like look into them like a thing them and like up the size a little bit. I go feel, you know, just a little 10% increase in a size now kilo no. Jesus Christ. And you know the thing, place about up there, have a cracky door. Jeez. All in all, if it's something that you want to try, and like me say, if me not too like sweet. So if you're somebody when you love the whole sweet thing and you want to try it, it's a nice little, I want to say like a dessert option if you don't like the whole heap of sweetness. And the biscuit is done right. Popeyes, on a regular biscuit them, for stay so. On a regular biscuit them, don't stay so. I'm not going to call the branch I buy biscuit from for Popeyes, but on a biscuit them not even look like how them when they look. This look like, yeah, the biscuit them farm out, and get the biscuit cutter and them thing there and cut the biscuit and all of that. The one when I talk about, it look like a scoop on a scoopy with one ice cream scoop thing and drop it down on the tray. I don't know if I right across the board this stay so, because overseas, I know say the biscuit them stay like how this a stay. A biscuit, and them look like biscuit. The particular Popeyes when I go down here, you know have this the biscuit look. It's like a scoop and put down. No. Farm out the biscuit them with the cookie cutter, reinvent the recipe, I don't know what I do, but yeah. As for this though, I go give this, I give it a 8 out of 10. Why you not get like a full 10 or something, feel like I wanna lose 2 points for like the portion size? Yeah man. It tastes good, alright, and I can see them put it in the hot, you know, cause y'all sweat. Yeah man, big up on yourself. But the portion size, at least make it full out this. $295, come on man, full out. Make it full out, the whole. When me need to get it out, I have to go so. I have to say, Jesus Christ, I make Popeyes fastening. I have to get one like a knife and like go around the edge to get it out. Yeah man, full up, we don't need no space. This, I could have just easily go so, whew, and it come out. It tastes good people, so if you don't want to buy it and you don't want to try it out, Kevin Too Crazy tried it for the first time for you. And me I say, yeah man, give it a try. What am I going to wash this down with? Stay tuned. Because I know if I'm eat some food, I have to wash it down with some beverages. Or beverage. The video there come.